The equation of a circle has two forms. The standard form looks like this, and we can read off the center and the radius very quickly from this form. The center is HK, and the radius is R. When we look at examples, like this one here, we have x plus 2, that's the same as x minus negative 2 squared, plus y minus 1 squared, and 25 is the same as 5 squared. If we compare this one here to this one, we can see pretty quickly that h equals negative 2, k equals 1, and r equals 5. So the radius is 5, and the center is at negative 2, 1. The general form of a circle looks like this, and it's not quite as nice because we can't read off the center right away. We have to manipulate it in order to find the center and to find the radius. The manipulation that we do is completing the square. So this will practice completing the square a little bit as well. I'm first going to take this equation and rewrite it with some strategic spaces placed in. X squared minus 6x, and then I'll leave a pretty big space, plus y squared minus 8y. I also change the order, leave a little bit of space. That gives us negative 16. Now I'll complete the square. Half of negative 6 is 3, negative 3. Negative 3 squared is 9, so I'll add 9 here. I'll also, instead of subtracting 9 right away, I'll just add 9 to the right side of this equation to keep the equation the same. For this one here, half of 8 is 4. 4 squared is 16, so I'll add 16. And I'll also do that on the other side of the equation, adding 16. Now I have two squares. X squared minus 6x plus 9 can be factored as x minus 3, whole thing squared. Y squared minus 8y plus 16 can be factored as y minus 4, this whole thing squared. And then on the right-hand side, I get just 9. 9 is the same thing as 3 squared. I'll write that there. And we can read the center and the radius very quickly. The center is at 3, 4. And the radius is 3.